This time Karaage will make GTFC garlic ginger tulip fried chicken.
Oh, it's exciting.
Peel a 5 cm piece of ginger. Peel 1 to 2 cloves of garlic and remove the shoots. When cutting the meat, Karaage lays out a sheet.
Cut the grain in the muscle with scissors or a knife. Then move the meat to the end of the bone and roll it up so the meat can be easily peeled off the bone. The tulip shape is ready.
Season the fried chicken. 1 tablespoon sake. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Grate ginger and garlic. Add the flour or potato starch. Coat chicken with potato starch. Prepare vegetables for garnish. When temperature reaches 160 degrees Celsius, fry the chicken for 7 minutes. Allow to rest for a few minutes. Finish at 180 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Serve with vegetable garnish. Serve the fried chicken. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Wow!
Thank you very much for your watching.
Chicken wings and the chicken sticks are incredibly cheap and convenient ingredient in Japan. With a little work, they can be made into tulip, etc. According to Kewpie, a famous food company in Japan, using mayonnaise instead of eggs allows the emulsified vegetable oil to disperse into the butter, reducing the water contents, making it crispy and softening the chicken protein.
Wow!